these are the frequency common for both are concerned. Now we have to construct the table. I am going to explain slowly. So sigma fx square is 19,079 divided by 53 minus 1,003 divided by 53 whole square. The difference class interval is 1. Quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. RK is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n into n square minus 1. 1 by 12 into m cube minus m. 22 square, 484, 18 square, 324. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I am going to hand Statistics Management 1, Session 2 in favor of 5th semester B.B.A. We are solving the model question paper, which is most important from the examination point of view. We have in the first session, we come across mean, median and mode. And also we have got what is called coefficient of skewness, Carl Pearson and Bole skewness. Now, 15 marks question, one question to be repeated now. One is called table correlation, which is also contained for 15 marks is considered. Remaining, it goes in favor of 10 marks is considered. So in session A, we have to discuss which are the type of question will become. One is called mean, median and mode. Then we have got coefficient of skewness, maybe Bole's method or Carl Pearson method. Then table correlation, which is most important here. Now we are going to discuss about this table correlation today. So this is a table correlation for 15 marks. This is a table they have given 20 to 40. 20 is called lower limit. 40 is called upper limit. This is for Y series. This is for X series. Frequency remains the same. So 5 is for both. For 20 to 40, 25, 30, the common frequency is 5. So these are the frequency common for both are concerned. Now we have to construct the table. I am going to explain slowly how the table has to be worked out. See that first 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 100 to 120. Find out the mid value. How to find out the mid value? 20 to 40 is 60, divided by 2 is 30, 40 to 60 is 50, divided by 2 is 50, 70, 19. So I took 70 as 0. We can take the first number as 0, minus 20, minus 40, plus 20, plus 40, then 0, 21s are, 22s are, 21s are, 22s are. Or we can apply the first number as 0, then 1, 2, 3, we can do it. As an example, what I did know, I took the center number as 0, minus 1, minus 2, plus 1, plus 2. Same thing goes here. 25 plus 50 is 75. Take the mid value, 37.5. Then there's a difference of 50 to 75, 62.5, 15 difference. 25 to 50, 25 difference is there, 87.5, 112.5, only mid value. I took the 0 here, minus 25, minus 50, plus 25, 50, 0, 25 ones are, 25 twos are, 25 ones are, 25 twos are. Now, so once you do this now, I think you understand this. What is the first step to do? Mid value. Then you take the deviation. This is for dy, this is for dx. dx for this, dy for this here. Now, these are all the frequency you got. First, add the frequency. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 4 plus 6, 10. 12, 14. Then 7 plus 13, 15. Here, come back here. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 4 plus 6 plus 4, 10, 12, 14. Then 7 plus 6 is 13 plus 5, 18. 3 plus 2, 5, 7, 3, 10. 7 plus 5, 15 plus 3 is 12, 15. If we add this figure, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 5, 7, 10, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the total number of frequency is 7. So this is a row wise, come back column wise. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 7, 16. 4 plus 6, 10, 16, 19. 4 plus 2, 6, 11, 13, 20. 2 plus 2, 4, 4, 9, 3 plus 3, 6. So if we add this, now it is equal to 70. So both should be added. It is n is equal to 70. Now, this step is most important now. Student, please understand this point, very important point I am going to say now. F into dy, this is your dy, this is called dx is considered. So 13 into 2 minus 26, minus into minus plus 26 into 2 is 52. So multiply the same number, 13 into 2 is minus 26, 26 into 2 is plus 52. Same, 14 into 0 is minus 14, minus into minus plus 14. 18 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0. 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10. 15 twos are 30, 32s are 60. Hope you understand. I will repeat now. 13 twos are minus 26, minus 26 into 2 plus 52, 14 into 1 minus 14, 14 into 1 plus 14, 0 into 0, 0, 0, 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10, 15 twos are 30, 32s are 60. Add the figure, 30 plus 10, 40, here 40 is 0. Here 2 plus 4, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, plus 7 plus 6, 136. This. Come back here, same thing. Likewise, something, likewise. 16 into minus 2, minus 32. 32 into minus 2, plus 64. Minus into minus is plus. 19 ones are minus 19. 19 ones are plus 19. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 9 ones are 9. 12 twos are 24. 24 twos are 18. Add the figure. 4 plus 9, 19, 13, 22, 26. 2 plus 6, 8, 9, 11. 116. Add this. It will come minus 30. Now, the last step is most important here. Here, f dx dy or f dy dx is same on the same. You keep this as constant. 2 twos are 4 plus 4. 4 fives are 20. How it is? 2 twos are 4. 4 fives are 20. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. This is 0. Leave it off. Come back this. 1 twos are 2. 2 fours are 8. 1 ones are 1. 1 sixes are 6. 1 0 0. 1 ones are 1 minus 1. 1 threes are minus 3. Come back. This is 0. Leave it off. Here. 1 no number. 1 twos are. Here 1 ones are minus 1. 1 twos are minus 2. 1 0 0 0. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are plus 2. Then 1 twos are 2. 2 fives are 10. Here. Come back to this number gone. Here is 10. Last one. 2 twos are 4. No number is there. Only this number. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 twos are 4. 4 threes are 12. Hope I will repeat one number once again for your convenience is considered. 2 twos are 4. 4 fives are 20. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 0 0. Here 1 twos are minus 2. 1 twos are minus into minus plus 2. 2 fours are bracket 8. Then 1 ones are plus 1. 1 sixes are 6. This is 0. 1 ones are plus 1. Here minus 1. 1 threes are minus 3. So if you leave the constant and do that. So whatever in the box is there, you add the figure. 20 plus 8, 28. Now 8 plus 6, 14, 2 gone. This is 12. This is 0. Minus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. Minus 3 is 5. 10 plus 22. Add the figure. 8 plus 2, 10. 15, 17. 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 6. 67. Add this. 67. So we can have this. 67 is the common. 67 is the common. Here also 67. Here also 67. come. Both should be one and the same. 67 is a sigma f dxy. Hope you understand. Now we will apply the formula. R is equal to sigma f dx dy, sigma f dx into f dy divided by n, divided by root of f dx square minus sigma f dx whole square, only for square this f dx square divided by n into f dy square minus sigma f dy whole square divided by n. What is f dx dy? 67. You see the answer here? It is 67. Then you got minus f dx. If you see that your f dx is minus 30, come back, f dx is minus 30, f dy, if you see this is f dx, if you come back here, f dy is 0, divided by number of frequency 70, divided by f dx square. If you go with the f dx square, you go with the f dx square, it is 116. F dx square is 116 minus 30 whole square divided by 10 into root of f dy square. You come back, f dy square 136 minus 0 divided by any number is 0. 30 divided by any number is 0 here. 67 leaked out. 116 minus 30 whole square is 900. Minus into minus plus divided by 7. This is 136 minus 0 divided by any number is 0. Come back here. 67 minus 0. Here 116 minus this is. If we divide now, it is 12.86. Here got only 136 in the root. This is 103.14 is one root of this, and remove this, it will come 118.474. 67 divided 0.457. So this is your R. R always should be less than 1. Then only your answer is correct. R means the relation should be positive. So in examination, so this is a formula. Be carefully, you have to have definite problem will become. Slowly you construct the table. Once you construct a table, then there is a word called probable error. (0.6745 into 1 minus r square root of n is your formula. 0.675 is a constant for all the problem. 0.6745 into 1 minus, what's your r? 0.57. 0.57 whole square root of, what's your n? 70. Then 0.6745 into 1 minus 0.57 into 0.57, 0.57 into 0.57 is equal to 0.3249 root of 70, 8.366. So 0.6745 into 1 minus 0.3249, 0.6751 divided by 8.366. 0.6745, first one, divide 0.6751 divided by 8.366, 0.008 This is 0.6745 into 0.0806 multiplied by 0.6745.05. Probable error is equal to 0.05 difference. So 0.6745 into 1 minus r squared divided by root 10. So 0.6745 is a constant into 1 minus 0.57 whole square divided by root 70. So 0.6745 into 1 minus 0.3249 square of this root of 70 is 8.366. 0.6745, 1 deduct 0.6751 divided by 8.366, 0.675. If we divide 0.0806, if we multiply, it will be 0.05. Is the error. Error is just 0.05. So you're almost a perfect here. So this question, boys, students, definitely it is going to come in the examination. Be careful. You can put the center number as 0 or a first number of 0, no problem. They will ask definitely the probable error. So this is a definite question from the examination point of view. You can go very slowly regarding the box is considered. Slowly you multiply and get the answer. So now we'll move on to 10 marks question. Calculate harmonic mean and jump. Now we'll move on to 10 marks question. Calculate harmonic mean and geometric mean. Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of a given number. So 2001 divided by 2000 is 0.005. Then 251 divided by 250 is 0.0040. 1 divided by 50 is 0.0200. 1 divided by 5 is 0.2000. 1 divided by 0.5 is 2. 1 divided by 0.25 is 4. 1 divided by 0.9 is 20. 1 divided by 0.125 is 8. If we add all these figures, it will come 34.2245. Then, regarding the log, I will tell you, how many digits are there? 4 digits. So, if you have got 4 digits, you must have three characteristics. Log is n minus 1. I will repeat. Log is n minus 1. How many digits are there? 4. Out of 4, 1 will be deducted. So 3 point, you have to say that 20 minus 0. In the 20, you have to look after the 0. It will come 3.3010. 250, how many digits are there? 3. Characteristics is 2. In 25, you have to see the 0. 50 is 2 digits. 1 characteristic. 15. In 50, you have to see the 0. It will come 1.6990. Then 5, single number, no. Characteristic is 0. 5 means you have to look after the 50.6990. Point means bar 1. Point means bar 1. This is minus 1. 5 means 50.6990. 0.25 bar 1. 25 0. 0.9 bar 1. Bar 2. Here no. Here bar 1. 0.05. 0.6990. 0.125, 0.0969. So, if we add no, it will come sigma log x. This is 0.5, 0.6990. Here, this is also 0.5, bar 1, 0.6990. If we add, once we add no, log harmonic mean is equal to n divided by sigma 1 over x. Whereas geometric mean is equal to anti-log sigma log x divided by n. This is your formula. We'll go slowly. Harmonic mean is n sigma 1 over x. 8 number of items. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 divided by 34.225, the answer comes 0.23. And sigma log x divided by n, anti-log, This is anti-log sigma log x divided by n. So here, what is your sigma log x? 4, here sigma log x is anti-log 4.9897 divided by 8. So if you get anti-log 0.6237, in the anti-log you have to look after 62, 3 line, 7th mean difference. It will give 4205. Your answer is 4205. What's the behind number? 0 means 1. How? 0 means 1. 1 means why this anti-log is n plus 1. 0 means 1. 1 means 2. 2 means 3. How much you have got? 0 means 1. If you have got a 1, then you have to 42.8. So 0 here. Log means n minus 1. Anti-log means n plus 1 you have to look after. So what's the formula? Geometric mean is equal to anti-log sigma log x divided by anti-log 4.9897 divided by 2. It will come 0.6237. In the 6237 mean difference is 4205. What's the behind number? 0. 0 means 1. Here, just division, that's all. Reciprocal of a given number. So, we'll have a 10 marks for this. We'll move on. Calculate the coefficient of variation. X is given, Y is given. So, we'll go with coefficient of variation. See that? So, coefficient of variation, CV is equal to standard deviation divided by mean into 100. This is one. CV is equal to standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Calculate the coefficient of variation. Here 32, 28 here. Total is 460. Here assume the lowest number as a 0, which is the lowest number 10 as a 0. Then take 32, how much more? 22 more. 18, how much more? 18 more. 47, how much more? Plus 37 more. 63, how much more? Plus 53 more. 71, how much more? Plus 61 more. 39, how much more? Plus 29, this is a base. 60 means 50 more. 96 means 86 more. Then 14 means 4 more. If we add this is sigma d, we say 360. Square of this number, 22 square, 484, 18 square, 324, 37 square, 1369, 53 square, 2809, 61 square, 3721, 29 square, 841, 0 square is 0, 50 square is 2500, 86 square is 7396, 4 square is 8. Add this number, it is 19,460. Apply. Mean is equal to sigma x over n. What is sigma? Accumulation 460 divided by 10. What is the number after 10 is 46. Standard deviation is equal to root of sigma d square divided by n minus sigma d divided by n whole square. What is your sigma d square? 19,460 divided by 10 minus your sigma d is 360 divided by 10 whole square. If we divided this now, it is 1,946 minus, if we divided this now, this is nothing but 36. 36 whole square is 1296. 1946 minus 1296 is 650. Root of this is 25.4951. Then apply the formula. CV is equal to standard deviation divided by mean into 100. 25.495 divided by 4600. It works out 55.42% in favor of X. Same thing goes to Y. Y 97, 12, 40, 85. If we add the figure, it is 465. What is 465? Sigma Y. Which is the lowest number? 8 as a 0. 0. So 13, how much more? 5 more. 96, 88 more. 30, then 40, 32 more. Then 12, 4 more. Then 97. Here no, 89 more. Here 85, 77 more, 8 means 0. Here 48 more, 42 more. If we add these figures, it will work out 385. Square of this number, 89 square is 7921, 4 square is 16, 32 square is 1024, 88 square is 7744, 5 square is 25, 0. Once you add this number, it will come 26,627. Apply. Mean is equal to sigma y divided by n. 465 divided by n, 46.5. Then standard deviation root of sigma d square divided by n minus sigma d divided by n whole square. What is sigma d square? 26,627 divided by 10 minus 385 divided by 10. If we divided this, it is 2662.7. Then 385 divided by 10 is 38.5. 38.5 into 38.5, it works out 1482.5. So if we deduct this, it will come 1180.45. Root of this is 34.50. Then apply the formula. CV is equal to standard deviation divided by mean into 100. 34.5, 46.5, so 74.19%. Then, conclusion. If the question is asked, number one, who is better run getter? Number two, who is more consistent? Common question I'm giving. What is the question says? Who is better run getter? Who is more consistent among X and Y? Whose average is more, he is a better run getter. I will repeat. Whose average is more, he is a better run getter. Whose CV is less, he is a more consistent. When you compare to the one match to another match, there must be not more difference. It may be less difference. Then only we say he is a more consistent. And regarding the average, we take whose average will be more, he is a better run getter is considered. See that in here now. As mean average of y is more than x, x is a better getter. If you see that, what's the average of y? 46.5. Regarding the s, 46, y 46.5. X, how much you got? 40. X average, mean, x mean 46. Y mean 46.5. Who is better? He is better. CV of X. What is CV of X? See that? First man, CV of X is 52.42. 52.42%. CV of Y. CV means quotient of Y. 74.19. Whose CV is more? Y. So, who is more consistent? X is more consistent. Because CV of X is less than CV of Y. Therefore, X is more consistent. Whose CV is less, he is the more consistent batsman. Then, quartile deviation. So, there are three quartile. Quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3. What is one? Q1, n by 4, Q2, n by 2, Q3, 3n by 4. Apply. Q1 is n plus 1 item is there. Then, if it is a single item, when the frequencies are given, Q1 is n plus 1 or 10 may. So, Q3 is equal to quartile division is how much? For continuous series, it is n by 4, n by 2, 3n by 4. Formula remains the same. N1, n by 4 minus CF over F into C. Same formula, n by 2. So CF is a back band, F is the constant frequency, C is the class interval. When I'm solving the problem, we'll explain what is Q1 first quartile, what is Q2 second quartile, what is Q3 third quartile. So this is a class they have given. Calculate quartile division and quotient of quartile. 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Here 2, 10 frequencies are given. Frequency means variation of a number. We'll go with the number now. 0 to 10, 10 to 20. 0 is called lower limit. 10 is called upper limit. 10 is called lower limit. 20 is called upper limit. You have got frequency variation in a number. Add the figure. 2 plus 8, 10 plus 1, 21, 30, 36, 40, 52, 60. Make the CF. What is the first number? 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus here, no? 11, 24, 33, wrong. 2 plus 8, 10. Here, 2, second, 10. 10 plus 11 is 21. 21 plus 9 is 30. 30 plus 6 is 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. 40 plus 12 is 52. 52 plus 8 is 60. I will repeat. 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 11 is 21. 21 plus 9 is 30. 30 plus 6 is 36. 40, 52, 60. You go. Q1 is equal to 60 by 2. It is 15. Find 15 in CF. So 15 will come under this range. This is your Q1. This is your CF. Constant frequency apply. Q1 is equal to L1 plus N by 4 minus CF over F into C. What's your L1? 20. Here, come back. L1 is 20. Plus here L1 is 20 plus N by 4, 60 by 4. Then behind number is 10. Behind number is 10. Divided by constant frequency is 11. Behind number is 10. Constant frequency is 11. So class interval is 10. So this is nothing but 15. That will come. 460 by 15 is there. This is minus CF over left ring into 10, 50 will come. This is 15. Minus 10 is 5. 5 into 10. Here, if you simplify this now, 5 will come. 5 into 10, 50 divided by 11, 4.54. It is 24.54. Come back to Q2, 60 by 2, 30. Find 30, where it will come. Exactly, it will come here. This is your frequency. This is your cumulative frequency. Q2, here L1 is 30, then 60 by 2. Your CF is behind number 21, 30, here 30, 60 into 30 divided by 9. No? What is your CF now? Behind number 30, behind number is 21. So 30 minus 21 is here, no? 9 is there. 30 minus 21 is 9. 9 tens are 90 divided by 9 is 10. It comes to 40. Come back to Q3. 3 into 60 by 4 is 45. Find 45 in CF. Find 45 in CF. It will come under 52. This is the range. This is the frequency. This is the CF. Apply. Mean is equal to 23. Q3 is equal to 3 into 3n by 4. Q3 is equal to L1 plus 3n by 4 minus CF over F into C. L1, 3n by 4 is 45. Behind number is 40. Divided by constant frequency is 12 into 10. 45 minus 40 is 5. 5 tens are 50. Divided by 12 is 4.16. If we add the figure, 64.166. Now apply. Quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. 64.16 did move 19.81. In examination, if they ask coefficient of quartile division, Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1, 64.166, 24.54. Same number adding 64.166 plus 24.54. If we add, deduct no 39.626. If we add 88.706, if we divide 0.004. This is your quartile deviation. Then standard deviation. So for individual numbers are considered, it may ask for 5 marks. So sigma d square divided by n minus sigma d divided by n whole square. So 60, 64, 68, 72, 80. Your numbers are given. I took the first number as 0. This as 0. Then I took the deviation 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80. Here, see the numbers, no, 64 adding. How much more? 4 more, 8 more, 12 more, 16 more, add. Then square of this number 0, 4 square is 16, 8 square is 64, 12 square is 144, 16 square is 256, 20 square is 400. If we add the figure, it is 880. Now apply to this. Root of sigma d square divided by 880 divided by 6 minus 60 divided by 4. Here the problem is, see that 60 to 64, 4 difference, 64 to 68, 4. So the difference is 4. That is called the class. By chance in exam, 60 to 64, 65, 72. The C will not be equal. Then don't take the C at all. Here, see that all are unequal. By chance in exam, 60 to 64, 65, 72, 79, 81. Don't take the C. Here C is 4. So 880, 146.6, 60 is 10, 10 square is 100, 4, here 4. So 46.66, 4 is outside the root. This is outside the root. Root of 46.666 is 6.83 multiplied by 4, 27.3. So don't put into square root. The 4 is outside the root. This is outside the root. 4 is outside the root. So once you get the answer, the last answer should be multiplied by 4. Then, when the frequencies are given, the formula is sigma fx square divided by n minus sigma fx divided by n whole square into c. Here, n is equal to total number of frequency. Here, numbers are given. Here, one difference is there. 2, 1, 1. See that? 15, 16. How much difference is 1? 2, 1, 3. Totally 53. So, f into x. 15 into 2, 30. 16 into 1, 16. 73. 17 into 3, 51. 18 into 10, 180. 19 into 19 is 361. 20 into 14 is 280. 21 into 3 is 63. 22 into 1 is 22. Here, if we add this figure, it is 1003. Fx square, fx into x. 30 into 15, 450. 16 into 16 is 256. 15 into 17 is 862. 180 into 80 is 3240. 361 into 19 is 6859. 280 into 20, it is 5600. 63 into 21, 1323. 22 into 22 is 484. If we add the number, it is 19,079. Apply root of sigma x square divided by n minus sigma f divided by n whole square into c. So sigma fx square is 19,079 divided by 53 minus 1,003 divided by 53 whole square. The difference class interval is 1. So divide this no 359.98. If we divided this no and make the square, it is 357.91. So 1 is outside the root. Here also 1 is outside the root. Deduct will come 202. Root of this is 1.42 into 1. Your standard is 1.42. Very simplification. Slowly you have to go. That's all. fx square means fx into x. Carefully you have to do it. Then move on. For standard deviation for continuous series. So here 0 to 0 is lower number, 4 is called upper number, 4 is called lower number, 8 is called upper number. So 0 to 4, 4 to 8. So 3, 7, 8 is frequency 60. I took the first number as 0. Here 0 to 4 is a deviation you have to take. That's a mid value. If you want, we can take the mid value here. Your mid value, if you want, we can take the mid value here. 0 to 4 is 2. 4 to 8, 12 means 6. Then 20 means 10. 14. Then 20, 36 is 18. Then 4. 20 plus 4 is 44 is 22. This is 26. If you want, you can take. Now 2 as a 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took the mid value here. ft dash. 3 into 0 is 0. 7 ones are 7. It is a mid value. Actually mid value. So you put the 2 as a 0 here, mid value. Then 3, 0, 0. 7 ones are 7. 8 twos are 16. 12 threes are 36. 11 fours are 44. 9 fives are 45. 10 6 are 16. ft dash square. ft dash into d dash. 0 into 0 is 0. 7 ones are 7. 16 twos are 32. 36 into 3 is 108. 44 into 4 is 176. 45 into 5 is 225. 60 into 6 is 316. If you add the figure, this is 908. Slowly you apply. Standard deviation root of sigma ft dash square divided by n minus sigma ft dash divided by n whole square. 908 divided by 60 minus 208 divided by 60 whole square into 4. This is 15.13. This is 11.199 into 4. If we deduct this now, 8.14. 4 is outside the root. Root of this one is 1.772 into 4. Your answer is 7.08. This is for 10 marks. Very, very simple. For 10 marks is considered. Then, there is one called regression equation. X on Y, regression. What is regression variation? One variable acting on another variable. So there is one variable acting on the another variable is considered X on Y. X minus X mean. R means correlation. Standard deviation X divided by standard deviation Y into Y minus Y mean is considered here. So X minus X mean R into standard deviation divided by standard deviation Y minus Y mean. So Y on X, Y minus Y mean R into standard deviation Y divided by standard deviation X minus X mean. So given particular XY mean 10, 12, 8. R is common correlation. Apply. Find the value of X when Y is equal to 90. Find the value of Y when X is equal to 100. Regression equation X on Y. X minus X mean R into standard deviation X divided by standard deviation Y into Y minus Y mean. X minus 10, R is 0.5. Start 8 divided by Y minus 2. X minus 10, if we simplify is 0.5. 0.4 will come. Y minus 12. So X minus 4Y, this is 4.8. This is finite. 0.4 into Y is 4Y. 4.12 here. This is X minus, you can say that this is one step. X minus 10.4Y, we can take this. X minus 10, 0.4 into Y, 0.4Y. 0.4 into 12 is 4.8. This is here. If we take the Y here, X minus 0.4Y. If we take the plus 10, it will come positive 10 minus 4.8. So X minus 0.45, 10 minus 4.8. So X minus 45 is 5.2. This is equation number 1. Apply now. When Y is equal to 90, X minus 0.4 into 90 is equal to 5.2. Then X minus 36 is 5.2. You take minus 36 to that side, become positive 36. X is equal to 36 plus 5, 41.2, value of X. Same thing goes to Y. Regression equation Y on X. Y minus Y mean R into standard deviation Y. Standard deviation X into X minus X mean. So Y minus 12.5 divided by 10 into X minus X mean. Y minus 12, if we simplify this, 0.625 will come, X minus 10. Y minus 12, 0.625 into X, 0.625X, 0.625 into 10, 6.25. Here, if we take this 6 to here comes no points. Positive becomes negative. Minus 12 become positive. Now, Y is equal to Y minus 6 is 5.75. This is equation number 2. Apply Y minus 0.625. So, when value is equal to 100, here, X is equal to 100 is equal to 5.75. So, Y minus 62.5 is equal to here 100 into 6 minus 5.75. If we take this number that side, here plus 0.62.5 plus 5.75, it will come 68.25. Very, very simple. No complication is there. Slowly you have to solve the problem. Here, if the regression equation is given like this, here rank correlation we say. Here rank says we see that when the numbers are given, which is the highest one, see that in the rank correlation, which is the highest we find out. 100 is the first rank, 97 is the second rank, 95 is the third rank, 92 is the fourth and fifth rank, becomes 9, 5.5, 5.5. Then here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is over, no? Here, next number, see that 100 is the first rank, 97 is the second rank, 95 is the third rank, 93 is the fourth rank. This is 5, 6. 5 plus 6 is 11, divided by 2.5.7 is the 90, 88 is the 80. Then Y, 121, 124, 126 is there. Which is the highest one? 130 is the first rank. Then 126 here now, here also 126. It will come 2, 3. 3 plus 2 is 5, divided by 2 is 2.5, 2.5, 2, 3 is over. Next, 124, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 6, 10. Here, 2, 3, 4 is over. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. So 4 plus 5, 9, 15, 22. So that is divided by 4, 5.5, 5.5, 5.5. The remaining number is 8. So deviation 8 minus 8 is 0. 7, 1.5 deviation, square of this norm. So in X series, 92 repeat 2 times. In Y series, 126 repeat 2 times and 124 repeat 4 times. You can write. In X series, 92 repeats 2 times. Therefore, M is equal to 2. In Y series, come back here, Y series, first one, which repeat 126 repeat 2 times, 126 2 times. Therefore, M is equal to 2. 124 repeats 4 times. Therefore, M is equal to 4. Carefully you have to write. So, X series 1 time, Y series 2 times you have to write. So, P is equal to rank correlation 1 minus 6 sigma D square plus 1 over 12 divided by M. Here, this is your sigma D square. Here, D square is there. 1 minus 6 sigma D square plus 1 over 12 m cube minus m plus 1. This is for x series. This is for y series. 1 over 12 m cube minus m plus 1 over 12 m cube minus n divided by n cube minus m. So 1 minus your sigma d square is 50 plus 1 over 12. So in x series repeat 2 times 2 cube minus 2 plus 1 over 12. 4 times repeat 4 cube minus 4, 1 over 12, 2 cube minus 2. 8 items is there, 8 cube minus 8. So 1 minus 6, 50, 1 by 2, 2 cube is 8 minus 2, 1 by 2, 4 cube is 64 minus 2, 1 by 2, 8 minus 2, divided by 512 minus 8. So 1 minus 6, 50, this is 8 minus 6, 2. So 6, 60, 16, 504, here 0.5, 5, 0.5 divided by 504. 6 into it we have 55, 56 will come divided by 504. 1 minus 336 if multiplied by 6, 336 divided by 5. 1 minus 0.333 positives there means the ranks given by judges are very positives are there. You must be very, very careful here. How many times it repeats? You must see here repeats the 2 times, here repeats the 3 times, here repeats the 4 times. That is why I have written in X series 92 repeats 2 times. In Y series it repeats so many times are there. Carefully you can apply. Then regarding then, hope you understand this. Then calculation of regression if the numbers are given. If the numbers are given 85, 106 here. This is the number 85 is given. I took 65 as 0. How much is the difference? Here the 2 series X and Y. So 0 I took. This is a regression equation. It comes to X on Y. X minus X mean. BXY into Y minus Y mean. It will be. Here I took 65 as 0. Difference is minus 8. Here how much more? 41, 20 more. Here less is 29, 0 minus 5. Square of this number 400. 1681, square of this 64, 0, square of this 841, 0, square of this. Add the figure 6212. Y series 85 as a 0, same thing. So less 62 minus 47, 47 square. Square of this number 2401, 2209, 3844. If you add 14,178. dx dy, this and this multiply. So 20 into 49 is 980, 41 into 47 is 1927, 8 into 62 is 496, 0, 29 into 11, here no, 120, here no, 11 into 29 is 319. So if you add the figure, 1168 will come. So if you apply, mean is equal to sigma x over n, 468 divided to 58.5. So bxy is sigma dx dy. So this can be applied when? This can be applied only when sigma x and sigma y is 0. Y is 0. If it is not 0, then the regular formula x minus x mean bxy sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy divided by n divided by sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square divided by n. This you have to apply when x and y is not is equal to what is formula? bxy is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy divided by n whole divided by sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square divided by n. This you have to apply when it is not equal to 0. Here it is equal to 0. Sigma dx dy divided by dy square 1168 divided by 14. It will come not 8. So y mean is sigma y divided by n. Y mean is 438 divided by 8, 54. Byx is same thing. Here no yx. Here y means y square, x means x square, 1168 divided by this one. Apply now. Regression equation x on y, x minus x mean bxy into y minus y mean. X minus x mean is 58.5. Your bxy is 0824. Y minus 54.75. X minus 58.5. Multiply this 0.0824y plus into minus 4.5114. X is equal to 0.2845 minus 451. If you come this no plus 58.5. X is equal to 0.08245. 53.946. So this is the equation. B. Y on x regression equation y minus y5 bxy is equal to y minus 54.75 0.1885 x minus 58.5 54.75 if we come now 0.188x 18 into 10.998. If we take this number x as this side, so y is equal to 0.188. 10.95 is 45. It becomes now plus 54.75. It is y is equal to 0.188x minus 43.752. Here now, minus x become plus x plus number. This is simplification. So y is equal to comes here 54.43. This is nothing but, see that y is equal to 54.75 minus is minus 10.8. If we take this x now, we can take this as here now 0.845. It will come here now plus 54.75 minus 10.55. This is nothing but plus 0.1880 plus 43.72 is the equation. Equation number 2. Simplify this, very simplify this. Then, so once you over here now, here is the rank correlation. First method, RK is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n into n square minus 1. This one formula. Assume that x 20, 24, 38, 32, 65, 60, something. R1, which is the highest one? 65 is the first rank, 60 is the second rank, next highest 38 is the third rank, 32 is the first rank, 24 is the fifth rank, 20 is the sixth rank. Same thing y, 35, 38, 45, 29, 22, 10. This is R2. Which is the highest one? 45 is the first rank, 38 is the second rank, 35 is the third rank, 29 is the fourth rank, 55, 6. So d square, R1 minus R2, deviation and square. 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 square is 9. 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 square is 9. 3 1 minus 2, 2 square is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. This is 5 minus 4, 16. 6 minus 2 is 4, 16. Add the figure. This is 9 plus 9, 18, 22, 28, 34, 54. This is sigma d square. Apply. RK is equal to 1 minus 6. Sigma d square is 54. How many terms are there? 6. 6 into 6 square minus 1. So 1 minus 54 into 6 on 324. 36 minus 6 into 35. 1 minus 324. 210. So this is 324 divided by 210. 1.1. 1 minus 1.5428. So this is Rk is equal to minus 0.5428. Negative correlation. So this you have to apply. When individual ranks are given. If the ranks are repeated, that is a Rk is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n into n square minus 1 by 12 into m cube minus m plus 1 by 12 number of times. If the ranks here now only individual number, if numbers are not repeated, you have to go with this one. Then in examination section B, no, they will ask blank table. You have to construct one blank table, 5 marks. And other things are easy. One histogram will be asked. You have to construct histogram, 5 marks are considered. So hope we have done everything here. So in the section A, you have to study one theory, general theory. They are going to ask what is business statistics, feature, advantage and disadvantage for major question 15 marks, primary data and the secondary data 10 marks, mean, median, mode for 15 marks. Then coefficient of skewness, Bowley's or Carl's PS for 15 marks. Table correlation for 15 marks. You have to answer any 2 out of 4. Section B, you have got one standard deviation, coefficient of variation. One is regression analysis is there. What are the items? One is standard deviation. One is coefficient of variation. One is regression analysis is there. So all the 3 questions will come. 2 theory question will be. Section C, even rank correlation will come for 10 marks. Section B also 5 marks will have a rank correlation is considered. So all the type of problems we have solved, you must be very, very careful about this now. So quartile deviation we already solved. Everything is solved. Please go through what the YouTube once again, whatever we solved. If you have got a doubt, you can inquire. The answer will be given. So that I say that all types of problem we have solved. So till then, hope you have understood. And also we did our thing. So we have done the entire model question paper is considered. Hope you understand. Goodbye. Best of luck in the examination. Hope you score good marks.